No.
He don't care now. He's got one. You could at least ask. He's stuck. He's stuck. Try that.
He picks it back up instead of doing anything else.
So, what do you
Freaking
think
weirdo.
about
Not too bad.
He stole a noodle.
Hey, if you guys want one that bad, you gotta work as hard as he
That's
did.
something that hair got all rusted up and stuff. That's a shame.
Do you think the basement was leaking over there or something?
Oh, that's possible. I never go down there.
Oh, you might want to watch the...
Oh, now you want a plate. What if you got some food in here?
No.
Okay, it's my turn.
He's dragging him across the table. Take it over there, quick. Oh no, you got one.
You should have taken it before you took one. Put it on this side so he can't reach. Hold my hand on.
Was the bunny meowing?
No.
Know how she might meow yet?
How'd you get up there?
Oh, I'm glad she let me know. That door always has to be closed. Where's your sister?
Mom.
Don't take it.
Or just trying to
Don't let
stop
him
for
keep
a
eating
minute.
noodles.
Now pull it away as soon as he tries to.
No, that's mine. No.
He'll-
That's grandma's.
He won't take it. He'll keep it up with me.
No, that's grandma's. Aw, just give him another noodle.
You know where your limit is here? You're going to fall, walk right off that
Don't
table.
fly into it, Ma.
Oh!
Get over. Get over.
Get over so she can hit you.
He takes another noodle when you're not looking.
No. You don't do that. That's a baby. No.
An 8-year-old baby.
He's older than him.
He's gonna get a kick in the face.
He's just little.
Good
so-
thing that Whisper was meowing.
Whisker?
Whisper, otherwise I
Oh.
wouldn't have even known she was out there.
If we're just, excuse me. That's mine. You're not sneaky. You know what? I'm giving it to Grandma. No.
Don't put that fast.
I'm sorry.
I now I can't even pull it away. Here, you take it. I can't even pull it away.
Mine.
I have an idea. I have an idea. Take the bowl away. Just take it out completely.
I should have waxed the table.
Don't tease him anymore,
Okay, say
Marshall.
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and then you can ask.
Marshall,
Can you say
this is
something?
mean.
You were the one that kept pulling the food away from him.
I know, but now I feel bad.
Mhm.
He's such
You
a
gotta
good
sing
boy.
for your food.
What do you mean? Now I feel
Can you
bad.
talk?
Okay, no more.
He just got a
Okay.
tiny piece.
You want to stick that in the fridge for the boys so you're going to
Yeah.
want it later.
Now I feel bad.
You weirdo.
Tail. Yeah, now it's on your beak. Make your like this. Yeah, good boy. Again. Clap, clap. It's on your beak, don't you feel it?
Whisper's walking like she's got something stuck up her butt. Basically like how he's walking. Are you a good
I
boy?
want to see if he'll like bite at the camera.
Did you clean up
He's
that
looking
pool?
for it. Yeah,
Thank you.
he's looking for it.
Yeah, that's the plate. Food plate, yeah, but it's
You're
empty.
so hungry.
It's empty.
I have a feeling he's gonna find it on the table. Or eat the candle.
Are you gonna share your coffee with
Look
him?
at him waddle away.
Come here, Echo. Come here. Let's go find you something to eat.
Like a cracker. I gave him 2 crackers. He didn't eat them.